Hey, my dears! Welcome to the Grammar Podcast. Put the seatbelt on and let's dive in.
Today, we are going to talk about your English learning journey. You are going to learn very useful skills for everyday life. So, let's get started. Here is what we will cover today. 1. Listening to understand. 2. Speaking with others. 3. Reading for information. And 4. Writing clear sentences. Okay, let's look at section 1. Listening to understand. This means you hear and know what people say. When you listen, you will learn to do 4 important things. First, you follow simple instructions. For example, someone might say, sit down. Second, you understand feelings. You know if a person is happy or if they are sad. Third, you identify main points. This means you hear the most important idea in a conversation. And fourth, you answer personal questions. For example, you can say your name and tell someone where you live. You also use your face and your body to listen. You can smile, or you can look confused if you do not understand. You can nod your head, moving it up and down. This shows the other person that you understand. And if you need help, you can use short words to ask. You can simply ask, "Can you repeat that?" Moving on to section 2, speaking with others. This is about how you talk to different people. When you speak, you have 4 main goals. First, share basic information. This means you talk about yourself. Second, ask questions to get answers. For example, you can ask where the store is. Third, give your opinions with evidence. This means you say what you think, and you also say why you think it. Fourth, speak clearly. You want to talk nicely and loudly so everyone can hear you. Now, it is important to remember that you change your words for different people. You speak informally with a friend. This means you use casual, relaxed words. But you speak formally with a boss. You use professional, polite words. When you talk in a group, you must wait your turn. It is important to respect others when they speak. But if you really need to talk, you can interrupt politely. You can say, "Excuse me, can I speak?" Okay, let's go to section 3, reading for information. This will help you understand words and signs around you. Of course, reading starts with the alphabet. First, you will learn the big letters. We call these uppercase letters, like big A, big B, and big C. You will also learn the small letters. We call these lowercase letters, like small a, small b, and small c. You will learn 4 useful ways to read. First, you read signs and symbols, like a red stop sign you see on the street. Second, you skim titles. This means you look quickly at words and pictures to see if a book is interesting. Third, you scan texts. You move your eyes fast to find a specific fact, like looking for a phone number. Fourth, you read steps in order, like when you read the instructions to cook a meal. You will also use a very helpful tool called a dictionary. A dictionary helps you find the meaning of new words. In a dictionary, the words are in ABC order. We call this alphabetical order. This order helps you find words very fast. Now for our last part, section 4, writing clear sentences. This is how you put your ideas on paper. Good writing always has 3 steps. First, you plan your ideas. You sit and think about what you want to say. Second, you draft your writing. This means you write your first try on the paper. Third, you proofread. You read your writing again. You find and fix your spelling and grammar mistakes. Just like when you speak, your writing changes for different people. You use formal language for work, like writing a letter to a bank. And you use informal language for fun, like sending a quick text message to a friend. You are going to learn how to build clear sentences. You just connect the parts together. First is the subject. Who is doing the action, like the word she? Second is the verb. What is she doing, like the word works? Third is the detail, like the words every day. Remember, you must match the subject and the verb. Think about the letter S in the word works. She works. You will also learn some basic writing rules. Always use a big capital letter for the word I. Use a big capital letter for the names of people and places too. Always put a full stop at the end of a sentence. A full stop is just a small dot. Finally, practice spelling common words correctly. Good spelling really helps people read your work. So, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These 4 important skills work together. They help you to talk and understand people every single day. Think about your own English goals. Which skill are you going to practice today?
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.